Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change password on YouTube TV account. So let's get started. So first thing that you want to do is that you want to head over into tv.youtube.com, and then from here you want to click on your profile on the top right, and from here tap or click on manage your Google account. You can also do this via a smartphone if you'd want to. You just need to go to your browser and do this exact same steps. And now from here what we're going to do is click here on personal info on the left side. And from here, scroll all the way down until you see the password section. So this is it right here. So click on your password. And then from here, you would now be able to change your password. So you'd need to input your new password and then confirm the new password. So usually you would need to enter your old password first before you can proceed here. But I have already entered mine, so I can just proceed into entering the new password and then confirm new password. And then after that, click on change password. And then after all of that, your password will now be changed once you have clicked this button. And that is basically it. Thank you for watching.